Connecting your smartphone to your Buick's infotainment system is easy, thanks to your vehicle's Bluetooth capability. Today, we're going to show you step-by-step how to connect your smartphone device. First, go into your smartphone's Bluetooth settings and enable the Bluetooth capability on that device. After the Bluetooth is enabled, head back to your Buick's home screen and select the phone icon. Click Connect Phone in the middle of the screen. Then select Add Phone, which is the green button in the top left corner. Return to your smartphone device and head to the Bluetooth settings. Your phone will then receive a pairing request from your Buick vehicle, which will include a 6-digit identification number. If the 6-digit number on your phone matches the 6-digit number on your Buick's screen, you can then select Pair on both your smartphone and your Buick. Now your phone is connected, enabling you to make and receive phone calls as well as play music from your phone's applications.